என் பொண்ணோட லைஃப்ல மிகப்பெரிய டேர்னிங் பாயிண்ட்னா இவளை நான் சிஎஸ்சில டாலி கோர்ஸ் படிக்க வச்சதான்.
எஸ், எங்க இன்டர்வியூ போனாலும் வேல்யூபிள் சர்டிபிகேட்ஸ் இருக்கான்னு கேட்பாங்க. ஆனா நான் சிஎஸ்சில ஜிஎஸ்டியோட டாலி படிச்சேன். அதான் ஈஸியா ஜாப் பிடிச்சேன்.
நீங்களும் சிஎஸ்சில ஜிஎஸ்டியோட டாலி கோர்ஸ் படிங்க, ஈஸியா ஜாப் பிடிங்க.
CSE, largest tally authorized institute.
வெல்கம் பேக் டு திஸ் சேனல். லாஸ்ட் வீடியோல அந்த ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து கரெக்டா இருந்தது. இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ் வந்து நான் டீடைலா பார்க்கலாம். Find the radius of curvature of the curve y equal to ax by a plus x at any point on this curve. Show that 2 rho by a the whole power 2 by 3 is equal to x by y the whole square plus y by x the whole square. Okay, so right, first of all we are going to find out the radius of curvature of this curve in general. Okay, any point on the right. So y is equal to ax by a plus x. Call it as equation number 1. Okay, so what is the radius? What is the formula for radius of curvature? 1 plus y1 the whole square the whole power 3 by 2 by y2 is the formula for radius of curvature where the curve is in the form of y equal to f of x. This curve is already in the form of y equal to function of x, so we can apply this formula to find the radius of curvature. That's why I am going to find out y1 and y2. So y is equal to ax by a plus x is the given curve. Okay, I am going to differentiate this curve with respect to x. Okay, I'm going to differentiate this curve with respect to x. It will become y1 become y become y1. So applying u by v rule, because the numerator and denominator having the function of x, so applying u by v rule, a plus x the whole square into a plus x u v into derivative of the numerator. What is the derivative of ax? A minus numerator into derivative of the denominator. Derivative of a is 0. Derivative of x is 1, so 1. Now multiply this a inside the bracket. A square plus ax minus ax by a plus x the whole square. We cancel this plus ax with this minus ax, so you will get a square by a plus x the whole square is y1. Okay, call this equation number 2. Again going to differentiate y1 with respect to x, you can get the value of y2. So again differentiate with respect to x, y1 become y2, that is equal to, again applying here we need not apply the u by v rule. Why? Because of the function of x is only in the denominator, not in the numerator. So we can apply the formula for 1 by x power n dash. What is the formula for that? Minus 1 by minus n by x to the power n plus 1, isn't it? Right. This is the formula for derivative of 1 by x power n is equal to minus n by x to the power n plus 1. You can apply that formula here. So a square is constant, that is in the product, we can keep it as same, minus n is 2 by a plus x the whole power 3 into derivative of a plus x is 1. Okay. So what is the value of y1, y2? Sorry, therefore y2 is equal to minus 2a square by a plus x the whole cube. Okay, right? So we find out y2, we call it as 3. Now from 1 we can find out the value of a plus x. What is a plus x? Taking this a plus x into the left hand side and take this y into right hand side. So a plus x equal to ax by y. This is number 4. Now we are replacing this a plus x in y1 and y2 by ax by y. y1 in terms of a plus x is here, and also y2 is in the terms of a plus x is here. That's why eliminating a plus x from both of the two, I am replacing a plus x by ax by y from 1. Okay, right. So value of a plus x equal to ax by y. Now applying this value into 2 and 3 from, therefore 2 implies what is y1? y1 equal to a square by, what is a plus x the whole square? A plus x is ax by y. Therefore a plus x the whole square means a square x square by y square. Okay, so a square into this become cross multiplication. Okay, right? So y square by, sorry, this will become reciprocal multiplication, not cross multiplication. So we can take it into reciprocal multiplication. So y square by a square x square. So we can cancel this a square with a square. So the result will be y square by x square is the value of y1. Same like that from 3 implies y2 equal to, what is y2? Minus 2a square. So minus 2 a square by, what is a plus x? Ax by y. So a cube x cube by y cube is the value of a plus x the whole cube. Again, this will become reciprocal multiplication. So y cube by a cube x cube, right? So what you will get y2 finally, therefore y2 is equal to minus this a square cancel with this a cube, so remaining a is in the denominator, minus 2y cube by a x cube is the value of y2. So after find out y1 and y2, we can go for applying the radius of curvature formula. What is the formula for radius of curvature? Rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square the whole power 3 by 2 by y2. That is equal to 1 plus y1 square. What is y1? Y square by x square. So y1 square will become y power 4 by x to the power 4. The whole power 3 by 2. Right? y2. What is y2? y2 minus 2 y cube by a x cube. Right? This is the value of rho. To eliminate this square root, that is 1 by 2, I am taking squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So rho become rho square is equal to, squaring on the right hand side, this 1 by 2 cancel. So you will get y 1 plus y power 4 by x power 4 to the whole power 3 by, here you can, here squaring the denominator will become minus 2 will become plus 4, a become a square into y power 6 by x to the power 6, isn't it? Right? I am just taking squaring on both sides, rho become rho square. This term, squaring of this term will remove the 1 by 2, so cube is remaining in the numerator, and square of the denominator become 4 by a square into y power 6 by x power 6. Okay. Now I am taking this 4a square into left hand side. So 4 by a square into rho square is equal to what? 1 plus y power 4 by x power 4 the whole power 3 by, I can write this power 6 in terms of y square by x square the whole power 3. Isn't it? Power is 6, that can be written as 2 to the power 3. So 2 3s are 6. So y power 6 by x power 6 is here. Right? So now it is in the form of a cube by b cube. Okay? It is in the form of a cube by b cube in the right hand side. I can simply write written as a by b the whole cube. 1 plus y power 4 by x power 4 by y square by x square the whole cube. Okay? So divide the numerator by with this value. So 1 by y square by x square plus y power 4 by x power 4 by y square by x square to the power 3. Right? So the first term 1 by y square by x square becomes reciprocal multiplication. So this x square goes to the numerator. So it will become x square by y square plus here y power 4 by x power 4, y square by x square, both cancel to which is, again you write it as, or again you write it as reciprocal multiplication. It will become x square by y square the whole power 3, isn't it? Right? Just that. So a by b by c by d. So this c by d into, you can write it into reciprocal multiplication. So x square by y square, we can cancel this x square with x power 4, it will be 2. Y square is cancelled with this y power 4, the remaining power will be 2, right? So this is of the form that is equal to x square by y square plus y square by x square the whole power 3. This is the value of what? 4 rho square a square. 4 rho square by a square. Now we can write the left hand side is also in the form of 2 by rho, 2 rho by a the whole square, isn't it? 4 can be written as 2 square, rho square by a square, that can be written as 2 rho by a the whole square. So, right, the right hand side becomes what? X by y the whole square plus y by x the whole square to the power 3, right? Taking cube root on both sides. Taking cube root on both sides. So 2 rho by a the whole power 2 by 3 is equal to x by y the whole square plus y by x the whole square. That is the result we want. Right? That's all. Thank you.